In this video, I'm showing you how to use Duotone in Canva. So, why Duotone? Well, if you've ever worked with a graphic or image in Canva that won't let you change its color, Duotone is your workaround. Let's start by opening a new design space in Canva. Click on the purple Create button, or choose a template from the top options. Once your design space is open, select an image. You can upload your own or go to Elements on the left-hand side and drag in any image you like. Resize it if needed. With your image selected, head up to the Edit panel in the top toolbar and click on the Edit button. This opens the Image panel. Scroll down until you find FX Effects. That's where Duotone lives. Click Duotone and a drop-down menu will appear. At the top, you'll see None, which is our original image. Next is Custom, and then another 20-plus preset colored options. Click through the presets to preview how each one changes your image. If you find the exact vibe you want, great, you're done. Just hit Share here at the top right to download your image. If you want to tweak things more, I'll show you how to do it. Let's say I click on the Fuchsia preset. A drop-down appears with highlights, shadows, and an intensity slider, 0 to 100. Intensity at 0 brings you back to your original image color. The highlight color is the background hue, or in this case, fuchsia. Shadow is the darker accent. If I click the highlight circle, the color panel opens. I can enter a hex code or use the slider. I'll slide it to the top left corner for white. But here's the catch. As you can see, it doesn't actually show up as white on my design. Even though my hex code is white, Canva doesn't render it properly on the image. And that brings me to a super important tip. Remove the background. Before I use Duotone, I almost always remove the background from the image. Why? Because it gives me way more control. With the background removed, that weird background color is gone. There is no background on this image. Now back to shadows. Same thing. Click the color circle to open the panel and pick your shade. You can use the color picker, enter a hex code, or use the slider to adjust to your liking. That's the quick version on how I use Duotone in Canva. It's one of the best ways to recolor graphics, especially when nothing else works. There are countless creative ways to use Duotone to enhance an image. If you found this content helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.